The next morning, Eric and I took a short flight to the end of Esnagami Lake. From there, we took a canoe down one of the brook trout-filled rivers in the area.
So we're down here on the Esnagami River, and this is one of our side trips that we offer from the lodge. And it's about 15 to 20 miles down from the lodge, so it's a full day adventure. It's a guided trip here because there are a lot of rapids and you do need someone to handle the freighter canoe through them. It's a lot of really nice brook trout. It's specifically a trout water. There are some walleyes in it. Our average brookie here runs in the 1.5 to 2 pound class, about 14 to 15 to 18 inches. But we do get them quite commonly up to 3 to 4 pounds in size, 19, 20, 22. So chances of getting some real big trophy fish along with good numbers of average size fish as well.
What I did was, one of my old techniques I learned when I was first beginning to fly fish, somebody taught me, and that is I put on a Goddard caddis and I skated it a couple times over the surface. It took 3 times to do it, and this guy just came up and hammered it, Eric, just hammered it.
I saw that. I saw the splash. I thought you were using a surface. And
okay, I think he's ready to come in.
all right.
Beautiful colors on this male.
Yeah, that one's gorgeous.
Look at that. On a 508 rod, this is just fantastic. And what a beautiful spot to catch beautiful brook trout. All right, good stuff. Okay. The Goddard caddis is a fantastic fly. It's made of deer hair, and you skate it on the top, and what it looks like is a caddis fly. And I've noticed a lot of caddis, that's why I thought about it. I've seen some tan colored ones, and so I put on about a size 10. It's a fairly big one, and I was skating it, and it took 3 times before that fish reacted. Again, thinking that, hey, maybe there's some sort of hatch going on, or excuse me, they're laying eggs, and so that worked out really well. You got it out?
Yeah, it's
all
out.
right. Great. And let it go?
Yeah, we'll let her go here. Beautiful brook trout.
All right. Oh, and away he goes. He
wasn't going to stick around for any more. Well done.
Thank you.
Nicely done.
I haven't seen any action out in the main flow in a
No,
while.
there hasn't, which...
Could be the hatch.
Oh, there we go. All right, all right. Nicely done. Nicely done. Perfect technique.
You taught me well. Again, it's not one of the big boys that we've seen, and the one you caught. It's a good example, but still a nice fish. Let's bring him over here. He's gone right underneath the boat.
Actually a little bit bigger. Oh, good catch. Good catch.
Turn and away he goes. There you go. Thank you.
Our strategy for today on the river is the run and gun approach. We're searching for active fish or a solid concentration of brook trout.
Ooh, I just chased out. Oh, geez, right there. Oh, right there, Colin. Let her drop.
Okay.
There's 6 or 7 big fish there. Oh yeah, nice fish. Double header. Nice
Beautiful.
fish. That was perfect.
What size is yours? That's a nice one you've got too.
Yeah, it's probably a similar size, about 14, 15 inches.
And as the camera's probably showing, you can see how crystal clear this water is.
Yeah, beautiful water.
Oh, look at this fish. This is a nice one. This is one of the bigger ones.
That's a real dark colored one too. Almost like spawn colors.
Yeah, he's bright red.
We see that a fair bit. They really...
Oh, going all the way over to the boat.
He has just gotten into a mess here.
It's all right. I'll see if I can get him
There
out.
he is.
I got
Oh,
him.
that's a nice fish. That's a real nice. Okay, I'm gonna get this one off, and then I'll give you a hand. Beautiful. Look, wow, that's the most colorful one we've got.
Yeah,
That's
beautiful male. So that's the barbless hook. So there, it's already out. Fantastic.
Yep. All right, she's ready to, or he's ready to go. So we're gonna just let him get over top of the net here.
Whoa,
There he
look at that.
goes.
Fantastic.
Nice.
The fishing was great, and our day ended much too quickly. I was looking forward to the next morning for another day of great pike fishing.
This video is brought to you by Fish USA, America's fly shop.